Hey, what's up, guys? I decided to start recording this project that I've got. I have bought hey, come here. I have bought an 89. Come on. Sorry, I cut the dog in. Come on. I bought a 1989 Cheyenne, and I'm gonna LS swap it. And well, I just started to do this video, put it on YouTube. Maybe I can get some help with it. I've never done this. There it is right there behind me. I've never done this. It's a new experience for me. And you know, any help I can get, any advice I can get, I would appreciate it. It's a 99 Cheyenne. I took out the bumper, the old big old bumper over there. I replaced the hood. That one had rust in it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got all kinds of rust right there. See, right there, everywhere. It's all rusted out. I'm in Texas, so it's not because, you know, it snows and shit out here. It just, it probably, I don't know what happened to it. I'm about to fix this right here, and you know, there's a lot of stuff to it that I gotta do to it. Gotta put that panel on. It's right there. There you go. It's got a small crack right there. Small crack right there. That's about it. I need to change a lot of those things, you know, paint them. I'm gonna paint the whole interior. Get this seat done. Yep. There you go. So, yeah, guys, if I can get any advice on what I got, I already bought it. It's a 2001 Yukon Denali. It's a 6.0 liter LQ4. That's what they, I guess that's what they call them, LQ4. Yeah, I want to know exactly how much of things I can use off that donor vehicle. You know, can I use the radiator? Can I use the AC condenser? I mean, you know, what can I use on it? What's garbage? What's the only things that I need from it? You know, I would do my research, but if you guys can, you know, also help. So I've been watching a lot of YouTubers, you know, they do this, they do that. Everybody does it different, you know. The only thing I do know is that I want it to be reliable, you know, and running every time I start it. I don't want to be messing with it for years and years. I just want to do one shot, you know, like do the swap good and everything working good. It might not be the case in my end, because, you know, I'm new to this and I'm barely gonna start doing this, so I'll probably have a hard time. But if I can get help, you know, in the research that I do, you know, I might be able to pull it off. So whatever you guys, any advice I can get from you guys, I will appreciate it. All right, peace.